How to download Life360 app on Android. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to your Play Store and simply search in for Life360 application. So it's a quite easy process. Just head over to search bar and simply search in for this application, and you should see the application right over here, which has over 100 million plus downloads. So based on your internet connection, just tap on this internet install button and your application should be downloaded and installed just like that. So once it gets downloaded, you can simply click on this open button to open the application, and from over here you can simply start with login by simply clicking on this over here and entering your phone number to continue just like this. And once you get your code, just tap copy this and paste it over there and simply click on continue just like this. And if it's asked for any verifications, just click on skip now and just click on OK and allow every permission from over here. So basically allow your location, which is the most important part of this application, and simply allow this. And once you do all of that, you are good to go. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.